Santham Academy. Welcome to Digital Kaksha. To get updates on new videos, click the subscribe button and the bell icon.
Hello students, we are back with Business Studies Chapter 5 Organizing. In this chapter, previously we have studied the meaning and the importance of organizing. In this video, we are going to study about the process of organizing. See, we have already seen the definition of organizing, and the definition itself reflects what process has to be taken. So I am first reading the definition and then I am going to move ahead with the process so that you can correlate both of it. Organizing is the process of identifying and grouping the work to be performed, defining and delegating the responsibility and authority, and establishing relationship for the purpose of enabling people to work most effectively together in accomplishing the objective. Now, this definition is actually stating you all the steps that are there in the process of organizing. Let's start with the process of organizing. In process of organizing, the first step is identification and division of work, right? So, when I am saying identification and division of work, what I am doing it? See, whatever the work you have objective in mind that this I have to achieve. There is certain activities that has to be performed, and that activities first need to be identified, right? When you are a student and you know your objective is to get the good results. Now that good results is actually accompanied by the activity of studying hard in a proper scheduled manner. So that activity is there and you have to identify it. Same is in organization. In organization, whatever is the objective, according to the objective, they have to identify the activity that has to be performed. And that activity or that job is first identified, and secondly, we divide it. Why we divide it? See, remember the principle of management, first division of work? That provides you with the benefit of specialization. So here, what is happening? When you are having the job identified, you divide the work so that what happens? You will get the benefit of specialization. See, one person cannot do all the things together. He needs to have the work in hand in such a manner that he can repeatedly do it and do it in a better form. And that can only be happen when you divide the work in small tasks. So, first identifying the job and then dividing it. This job can be seen here in this diagram also. I have divided with the various activity of money, manpower, material, process and the market. I have divided the activity that I had to do right in a different manners. Okay, then the second step is departmentation, means I am creating a department. What is the meaning of department? Actually what I am doing is I am clubbing up all the similar type of activities or related activities, similar or related activities together and creating one department, and that department is being controlled or managed by a single person who can be a manager. I can tell you here, I have divided the various activities. When I was thinking about money, I have made it a finance department. When I was thinking about manpower, I have divided into HR department. When I was thinking about purchasing from outside the raw material, purchase department. When I was working with how to process the raw material into finish, production department, and how to sell it outside, that was marketing department. All these departments are going to be headed by the managers who are going to control and take care of it. So, finance manager, here you will have the manager who is taking care of finance, HR manager, purchase manager, production manager and marketing manager. So, the managers are the one who are going to take care of their departments. Now the departments here I have taken only of one region, functional basis. See, but department can be made on the product basis, like you have a product, multiple product, like you have a oil, salt, or I take an example of Tata where you have automobiles, you have jewelry, you have watches. So Tata must have divided their department according to the product. Then territory wise also means whether the group is taking care of eastern area of India, western area of India, central area of India and so. So the department can be divided on the basis of function, product or territories. So function we have just seen, finance, marketing and so. Product, it can be multiple products, and territory is east, west, center and so. So departmentalization actually helps you to club up the activities. Moving to the third step is assignment of duties. When I am saying assignment of duties, actually you are clarifying the position. Now when I am clarifying the position, and that too you have to take care that the position is being held by the person who is able to do it. Now how you are going to judge it? First thing, you are going to see that person is having the qualification to hold that position. Secondly, that person should have experience. Thirdly, that person is having the ability to handle all the situations, right? So when I am assigning the duty, I am giving the task to be worked out. At that time, I am taking care of it, that I am providing the people with the required form of experience, qualification and everything. So position is decided according to the ability. Here when we see the diagram here you can see the finance department. See, I am taking example here. If I am taking finance department, a person needs to be very good in accounts, in maintaining the money in and out. It can be a CA, it can be a professional. Moving to the HR, a person who is good in managing the people, understanding the people. See the qualification, it can be MBA in HR. Here, the production, the person who is well versed, experienced in producing the things. See, a person who is dealing with the multiple activity of production needs to be experience holder. Then after marketing, of course, here also the qualification of being a MBA in marketing, where the person is able to communicate to the others and being able to get the feedback is being worked out in marketing. Along with that, see, even it can be divided into small subparts also, where the sales is taken care by someone else, production promotion is taken care by someone else, distribution, and talking about the research and development that is done for the marketing. So moving ahead to the fourth is establishing reporting relationship. Now what is the meaning is you are making clear to the people that are working in organization from where they are going to get the orders. Who is going to give them the orders? Firstly, and secondly, to whom they are going to issue the orders, means to whom they are going to give the orders and from where they are going to get the orders. That is made very clear. Means I am talking about the superior and subordinate relationship. Firstly, and along with that, I am creating a scalar chain, principle of management again. Scalar chain actually is very important in any organization so that there is no communication gap. When the scalar chain is worked, you are having defined hierarchy in an organization from top to bottom how the order is going to be floated. Here also if we see, the managing director is going to provide the order to the different department in organization. Then suppose I take the marketing one, the marketing manager, whatever the order he has got, he is going to issue that order. He received the order from the managing director and he is going to issue the order to the various subordinates who are going to deal with the sales, promotion, distribution and research. So this is actually dealing with the clarity of relationship among the people. See, when there is a clarity of relationship among the people, what happens? There is no chaos, there is better working for the organization. So with this, we have completed the process of organizing. Next, we are going to work out with the various organizational structure that is derived because of the process of organizing. Thank you for the watching video.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more.